Where they at? 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 Come on now. If you wanna go and take a ride with me, we three willing in the four with the goldies. Oh, why do I live this way?
Hey, must be the money.
If you wanna go and get high with me, smoke a L in the back of the Benzie. Oh, why must I feel this way?
Hey, must be the money.
In the club on a late night, feeling right, looking trying to spot something real nice. Looking for a little shorty I know this so that I can take home. I can take home. She could be 18 with an attitude of 19, kinda snotty, acting real rude. But as long as you a thick, girl, you know that it's on. You know that it's on. I peep something coming towards me up the dance floor, sexy and real slow. Saying she been peeping and I dig the last video. Somewhere that we could go. How could I tell her no? Measurements was 36, 25.